Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. If you are trying out my recipes, do consider hashtagging them as Nigda's Bioscope on Instagram so that I can share them too. After traveling across India, we can definitely state that we love mashed brinjals. Although the variations are slightly different, but the basic recipe remains same. And today we are not going to cook one but two variations of mashed brinjal Northeast Indian style. These Northeast style mashed brinjal recipes are for sure going to be a super hit at your home. We have two variations as mentioned earlier. One is going to be a vegetarian and the other one with dry fish. Now let's check out the ingredients. Brinjal, tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped onions, mustard oil, ginger, finely chopped coriander leaves, dry fish and salt. Now let's start roasting our brinjal, tomatoes and dry fish. Put a mesh on your stove, then roast the aubergines and tomatoes over the gas stove. But I must say I love them most when done over firewood. But since we do not have an option, this is the best we have. Once done, peel the brinjal skin and put them in two bowls. Now take your dried fish with your tongs, roast them on both sides until done, then transfer them into your mortar. Add your ginger, then roughly pound them together. And now we are going to add the ingredients into their respective bowls. So first of all, I'm going to add the tomato, and this is going into the non-vegetarian or dry fish bowl. I'm going to mash it. First I'm going to cut it with this spoon so that it's easy. Then take your pestle. I'm using a wooden one. I love the skin of the tomatoes, so I've kept it. In case if you are not, then please peel them off. Okay. Looks done. Now first of all The dry fish goes in. Then our onion. Then green chilies, which are finely chopped. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. And then salt as per taste. And the final ingredient, which will do a lot of trick into the flavor, is this pungent mustard oil. I'm adding a teaspoon of it and I'm going to mash it with my hands. The flavor is just awesome. Yeah, in most parts of northern and eastern India, we definitely have mustard oil, so we love it. Just in case if you do not, then you can skip it and just start mashing it. This is already smelling awesome. Our dry fish with mashed brinjal and tomato is ready, and now we are going to move to the second recipe. But before that, I'm going to wash my hands, so stay tuned. And if you have enjoyed this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Let me keep this bowl aside. Yeah, probably here. And then again we will add our onions. Green chilies, salt as per taste, and coriander leaves, and then we will drizzle some mustard oil. You can really go generous here if you want to. And now I'm mashing it. Yeah, our vegetarian mashed brinjal looks ready. So first of all, I'm going to try out the vegetarian version and take a teaspoon of it. The brinjal is mushy and the smoky flavor from the charred brinjal is beautifully coming through. The onions have added a crunchy texture, and all that green chilies have done a wonderful job of making it really hot. I also love the flavor of the coriander leaves, and as you eat, this really feels comforting. And now I'll move on to the non-vegetarian or the dry fish version of it. So I'm just going to switch the bowls. Let me give it a quick mix. You can see the color being more vivacious than the other one because of the tomatoes, which has added a wonderful red color. And now it's the moment of truth. Just to bump it up, the tomatoes and our love for dry fish has indeed made this dish a whole next level. The flavor from the tomatoes added a slightly sweet and tanginess to this mashed brinjal, and it's kind of hot. I really love this comparing to this because I guess we all love dry fish in Northeast India. However, you should give both of them a try, and hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and see you soon.